can you clarify lang? Some senators, like si Senator Ivy, nagreklamo, ba't daw tinigil yung hearing ng Blue Ribbon? Can you clarify lang? Kasi sa ilang senators, na tinigil niyo po yung, pinatigil daw.
I think she'd better ask some of her colleagues. Because some of her colleagues are saying na bakit nag-hearing meron kung going na ICI. Siguro sila muna mag-usap.
But as far as you're concerned...
Kasi as far as we're concerned, hindi naman kami tumigil eh. Kaya nga, meron lang mga budget hearings na kailangan gawin. We are nearing the deadline of what we did. So, hindi ganun kadali yun.
Sir?
Hindi naman mawawala yung mga hearings na yun at hindi rin mawawala yung submissions namin sa ICI. As a matter of fact, I'm holding a letter with the ICI na may mga hinihiling sa amin. Ano? And I will personally go there and clarify kung ano yung mga hinihiling.
But is there an assurance that even during the break, there will be a hearing? Even kahit isa lang from Blue Ribbon? Because you will resume November 10.
We will find out as soon as the Blue Ribbon meeting
Sir, walang target pa.
is over, is met.
Tama po.